Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. Before the exciting part of NLP can even begin, dealing with messy, unstructured text data is a common challenge. This is where regular expressions, often shortened to Regex, come into play as a powerful tool. Regex provides a concise and flexible way to define patterns for searching, matching, and manipulating strings of text. Imagine you have a large data set of text documents such as social media posts, customer reviews, or news articles. You want to extract specific information from this data such as email addresses, phone numbers, or keywords related to a particular topic. Regex can help you achieve this by defining patterns that match the desired information. By using Regex, you can automate tedious text processing tasks, such as cleaning up messy data, extracting relevant information, and preparing text for further analysis. In essence, Regex acts as a powerful text processing tool that streamlines many NLP tasks. At their core, regular expressions are patterns that describe sequences of characters. Think of them as a specialized language for defining search patterns within text. These patterns consist of ordinary characters which match themselves literally, and special characters known as metacharacters which represent something else. Metacharacters provide the flexibility and power of Regex. For example, the dot metacharacter matches any single character except a new line. This means that the Regex pattern C.T could match cat, cot, or cut. Another example is the asterisk metacharacter, which matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character or group. So, the pattern go asterisk gili would match jiggle, goggle, google, google, and so on. Regex proves invaluable in various natural language processing tasks, including 1. Text cleaning. Regex helps remove unwanted characters, normalize whitespace, or correct common spelling errors. This is crucial for preparing text data for analysis, as it ensures consistency and accuracy. 2. Tokenization. Tokenization involves breaking down a text into individual words or tokens. Regex can define patterns to split text based on spaces, punctuation, or specific delimiters. 3. Pattern extraction. This involves identifying and extracting specific patterns within text, such as email addresses, URLs, or keywords. Regex allows you to define patterns that match these desired elements. Section 4. Common Regex patterns and examples. Let's explore some common Regex patterns and their applications in Python. First we have, this pattern matches any digit 0 through 9. For instance, the Regex would match phone numbers formatted as 123-456-7890. Next, this matches any alphanumeric character, including lowercase and uppercase letters, digits, and the underscore. The pattern could be used to extract email addresses. Then we have, this pattern matches any whitespace character, including spaces, tabs, and new lines. You can use to match one or more whitespace characters. Finally, the dot. The dot matches any character except a new line. Be cautious with the dot, as it's very broad and might match more than intended. Here's a Python example for email extraction. Python import retext =, for inquiries. Contact us at info@example.com or support@domain.com. Emails =, refind all the audio as text, print emails. The output would be. Section 5. Advantages and disadvantages of Regex. Advantages: conciseness. Regex provides a compact way to express complex text patterns. Flexibility. You can create highly specific patterns for various text processing tasks. Efficiency: Regex operations are generally fast, especially for simple patterns. Disadvantages: complexity. Regex syntax can be cryptic and challenging to learn, especially for complex patterns. Readability. Complex Regex patterns can be difficult to read and understand, making maintenance challenging. Limitations. Regex is not suitable for all NLP tasks, especially those involving complex language understanding or ambiguity. Section 6. Conclusion. The significance of Regex in NLP. Regular expressions remain an essential tool in the NLP toolkit. They provide a powerful and efficient means of manipulating and extracting information from text data. From cleaning messy text to identifying specific patterns, Regex plays a crucial role in preparing text for further analysis. While Regex has its limitations, its ability to handle a wide range of text processing tasks makes it an invaluable asset for NLP practitioners. By mastering Regex, you gain a powerful tool for tackling real-world NLP challenges and unlocking the insights hidden within textual data.